Well, that was a nice party. You know, Margaret sure got some beautiful gifts at her baby shower.
Yeah, but, now I don't know what I'm going to get her next month for her wedding shower.
I miss the old days when we took our showers in the proper order.
Oh, look. Darnie sent us our cosmetics.
Oh, come on. Open this shampoo smells great.
Oh, look, there's a hair conditioner, too.
Let's go try this stuff out right now.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how my hair comes out.
Here. What's on the racket? Hi, how are you?
Harriet? Oh, look at me.
Do I have to? I'm sorry, honey, but you're bald. And so is my daughter. And so is my mother.
What happened to you guys?
Larnie's Cosmetics is what happened to us. We all use that stupid shampoo.
Well, I don't get it. I mean, I use that shampoo and my hair is fine. See?
I'm going to call this Larnie's company and yell at them what happened.
Wait, Laura, where did you hear about this company?
What, they had a full-page ad in a reputable magazine.
Which magazine?
Funky Rock.
Listen to this. Try Larnie's shampoo. You'll love how your hair comes out.
Well, you can't get her for false advertising.
We're sorry, Mom. We realize that you're upset. But hey, look on the bright side. You all could be backup singers for Sinead O'Connor.
I don't understand. Their number's no longer in service.
Well, I hate to tell you this, sweetheart, but I believe you've been swindled.
What do you mean?
Well, Larnie's Cosmetics is obviously a fly-by-night operation. They probably sold hundreds of distributorships, took the money and ran.
You guys, I'm really sorry about this. It just seemed like such a great deal.
Sweetheart, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Look, I've got to hurry up and get dressed and get down to the wig bar.
Well, hey, I'll drive you all. Let's just calm down and have some breakfast.
That's a good idea. You know, I don't know why, but suddenly I'm in the mood for melon.